welcome to our online classes VBPS e-learning. Dear student, I am going to teach you chapter 2 playing with numbers. The topic is factors and multiples. Let's start. Factors. A factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. For example, factors of 12. 1 divides 12 completely because it has no remainder. 2 divides 12 completely because it has no remainder. 3 divides 12 completely because it has no remainder. 4 divides 12 completely because it has no remainder. 5 divides 12 not completely because it has remainder. 6 divides 12 completely. 6 to the 12. It has no remainder. 7 divides 12 not completely because it has remainder. 8 divides 12 not completely because it has remainder. 9 divides 12 not completely because it has remainder. 10 divides 12 not completely because it has remainder. 11 divides 12 not completely because it has remainder. 12 divides 12 completely because it has no remainder. So that 1 is exact divisor. 1 is exact divisor because it has no remainder. 2 is exact divisor. 2 is a exact divisor because it has no remainder. 3 is exact divisor because it has no remainder. 4 is exact divisor because it has no remainder. 5 is not a exact divisor because it has remainder. 6 is exact divisor because it has no remainder. 7 is a not a exact divisor because it has remainder. 8 is a 8 is not a exact divisor because it has remainder. 9 is not a exact divisor because it has remainder. 10 is not a exact divisor because it has remainder. 11 is not a exact divisor because it has remainder. 12 is a exact divisor because it has not remainder. From this above observation, we observe that 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are exact divisors of 12. These numbers are called factors of 12. And 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 is not a factor of 12 because it has remainder. Multiples. A multiple of a number is exactly divisible by the number. For example, the numbers 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15 are multiples of 3. In 3 times 4 equal to 12. 3 and 4 are factors and 12 is the product. Students, 3 is a factor of 12, 4 is a factor of 12, 12 is a multiple, 12 is a multiple of 3, 12 is a multiple of 4. It means factor into factor equal to multiple, and 12 is the factor also. 12 is a multiple of 3 because it can be divided evenly by 3. 12 is also a multiple of 4 because it can be divided evenly by 4. So 12 is a multiple of both 3 and 4. A number is a multiple of each of its factors. A number is a multiple of each of its factors. Properties of factors. Every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Every factor 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 is the factors of 12. So that according to this property, 1 is every factor of number is an exact divisor. So that 1 divides 12 completely, 2 divides 12 completely, so that 2 is a exact divisor, 3 is exact divisor, 4 is exact divisor, 6 is exact divisor and 12 also exact divisor of 12. Property number 2. Every number essentially has at least two factors, one and itself. One and itself. Student, look at this. 12. 12 equal to 1 into 1 into 12. 4 equal to 1 into 4. 6 equal to 1 into 6 and so on. So that every number is a factor of itself. Property number 3. Every factor of a number is less than or equal to the given number. Every factor of number less than or equal to the given number. Look at this, student. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 is the factors of 12. So that property is every factor of a number less than or equal to the given number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 less than, and 12 equal to the 12. Property number 4, a given number has finite number of factors. Student, factors are 12. Factors of 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. They are fixed, are finite. Property number 5. 1 is a factor of every number, and every number is a factor of itself. Look at this example. 1 completely divides 12. 1 divides completely. 1 divides 12 completely. Like this. 1 4. 1 4 ja 4. 1 6. 1 6 ja 6. 1 8 ja 8. So that property is 1 is a factor of every number, and every number is a factor of itself. It means every number 12 1 ja 12 completely divide, so that 12 is the exact divisor. 13 1 ja 13. 13 is exact divisor. 6 1 ja 6, exact divisor. Properties of multiples. Every number is a multiple of itself. Sorry. Properties of multiples. Multiple means multiplication, and factor means division. Every number is a multiple of itself. 8 equal to 8 into 1. 8 1 ja 8. 4 equal to 4 into 1. 4 1 ja 4. 3 equal to 3 into 1. 3 into 1. Every multiple is a every number is a multiple of itself. So 8 equal to 8 1 ja 8. 4 1 ja 4. 3 1 ja 3. So every number is multiple of itself. Property 2 of multiples. Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number. For example, multiple of 3. 3 1 ja 3. 3 2 ja 6. 3 3 ja 9. 3 4 ja 12, and so on. Every multiple of number is greater than or equal. 3 3 equal 6 greater than 3, 9 greater than 3, 12 greater than 3, and so on. Property number 3. A given number has infinite number of multiples. Student, see here. Multiple of 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12, 2 6 ja 12, 2 7 ja 14, 2 8 ja 16, 2 9 ja 18, 2 10 ja 20, 2 11 ja 22, 2 12 ja 24, and so on. A given number has infinite and infinite number of multiples. Okay, students, this